The simple construction of the IC series valves has a single flexible membrane diaphragm as the only moving part. The elegant design makes it easy to maintain. Order replacement diaphragm and O-rings. Remove the reference pressure on the cap. Loosen the bolts and remove the reference cap. Remove and dispose of the old O-rings and diaphragm. Clean the orifice plate and cap. Reassemble the valve with the new O-rings and diaphragm matching the size of the O-ring and groove. Bolt the cap and orifice plate to the regulator body and torque the bolts to the prescribed value. Reconnect the reference pressure and set the diaphragm following the installation manual. The valve is ready for use.